Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be trying to compare how much you actually spend or how much your parents actually invest per hour of you attending the university. And I'll be comparing the university cost for four countries: India, USA, Canada, and Australia, so that you get an insight that how much you're actually spending in reality. So let's just jump into my computer screen and having a look. So let's say we take USA, and let me just make it bold. And okay, so according to Google, the tuition fee for undergrad is around $20,000, which is the bare minimum. So let's take that. So one semester um, is around $10,000, and per semester you can take around say 15 credits, and one credit is 1 hour per week. So 15 credits equal to 15 hours, and every semester is equal to 4 months, so which is equal to 16 weeks. So the total is 16 into 15, which is 240 hours per sem. So cost per hour is 10,000 divided by 240, which is basically, if I open my calc, that is 10,000 divided by 240, which is $41.67 per hour, which if I multiply it by 75, which is rupees 3125. So basically in USA, if you're doing an undergraduate, you're paying 3,125 rupees per hour. Now let's take India. So let me just copy paste everything right here, and I'll just make it India. And for India, I'll be considering VIT because I study in VIT, and VIT's fees range from 1.72 lakhs to, I guess, around 4.85 lakhs. So let me take the median as 3.5 lakhs. A lot of you might be paying very less, or a lot of you might be paying more. So it's just because it's an approximation that I'm taking according to VIT. So let's say here it is 3,50,000, and say per sem, let us keep it constant, 15 credits, and everything's right there, and we just take 3,50,000. So that's basically, if I divide it by 240, you get 1460. That is 1460 rupees per hour. Now let's take Canada. Now if I go to Canada, it says the average annual fee is between 13,000 to 20,000. So like an average of this is around 15. So basically let's take it as 13,000 CAD, which okay, and let's divide it here. So basically 13,000 divided by 240, which is 54.16 CAD, and approximately 1 CAD is 55 rupees, which is 2980 per hour. So right here also per hour, right here also per hour. Now the last is left is Australia. Now if I go see Australia, it says your tuition fee is around $20,000, which is Australian dollars. So basically AUD 10,000 per semester, and then I divide 10,000 divided by 240. This 10,000 by 240 is 41.67 AUD, which is basically, if we convert AUD to INR, so 46.17, that is 2481. So rupees 2481 per hour. Now as you can see that USA, it's around 3,125 rupees per hour which you're spending there, and this is only tuition. And in India, you're in VIT, if you're somewhere in the category 3, you'll be spending around 1460 per hour. Now in Canada, it's around 2980, which is approximately 3,000 rupees per hour, and in Australia it's around 2481, which is 2,500 rupees per hour. So basically from this you can deduce that if you basically bunk one class, say in USA, which means you will be just losing 3,125 rupees. So, and the same thing goes for the other countries. So basically overall your parents are investing a lot and you are spending a lot per hour, and that only on tuition in other countries. So better not bunk any classes when you do your undergraduate or masters. If you go there, it's better that you attend all the classes and take advantage of whatever you invest into your education there, because after 1 or 2 years you have to, if you're a master's student, or after 4 years if you're an undergraduate student, you have to pay back if you have taken a loan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.